When you find yourself formatting content in a note that you've typed out or maybe captured, and you realize you're repeating the same steps over and over, you might be able to save time by using something called the Format Painter. It allows you to borrow existing formatting and apply it to other content. That's what we're going to do with our London Hotel notebook here, where we left off in the meeting section looking at the week of October 5, where we've done a little bit of basic formatting. If you skip to this movie, open up London Hotel 0302 from the Chapter 3 folder of your exercise files, and you'll have what I have. Let's start with these titles here. Revenues is formatted nicely, but staffing is not. Let's click anywhere inside Revenues. Now from here, you can go right up to the clipboard group with the Home tab of the ribbon selected and click Format Painter. What you've done is just copied the formatting of Revenues. And notice your mouse pointer has changed into an I-beam with a little paintbrush beside it, which means we can now go in and click and drag across content we want to format the same way. If we drag across staffing and release, it looks exactly like Revenues. We may not even remember what we did to format Revenues the way we see it. We don't need to. Just borrow the formatting and apply it. Now let's click down below where it says Revenues down by 2%. That has a little bit of formatting applied there as well. We'll click the Format Painter to copy that new formatting and go down below to staffing and click and drag across the two lines. Because it's using bulleted dashes, we don't get to select those, but we can click and drag across the content, release, and it's formatted the same as the one above. Now we can click anywhere outside to get a good look at that. So the Format Painter is going to save you some time when you want to repeat formatting throughout multiple notes. And what about what we just did? We worked with a couple of bulleted lists that we couldn't change the formatting for because it was already applied with those dashes. But of course, there are many more options when it comes to bullets and numbering. We'll talk about that next.